Hello friends, welcome to MSCR Things. This video is a part of our playlist named SQL for Beginners. You can check this playlist name in our channel and you can find all the related series of the videos which are related to SQL. In our previous video, we have discussed about how to display all the databases present in our system and how to display all the tables present in a particular database. So the command for that is select star from sys.databases . This will give you the databases, all the databases present, and as you can see, the current database in which we are working named as master. Now, how to display the tables present in the master database? The command is the same. You just need to replace the databases with tables. This is how we display the tables present in the current database. This was discussed in a previous video. In this video, we will be discussing about how to create a database. So yeah, whenever a line is starting with a 2 hyphens, it is indicated as a comment. That will not be running in the query and it will not throw any errors in the output. So yeah, how to create a database? The query is very simple. Check this. Create database and give your database name. It can be any name, but make sure it is in a single word, or you can add underscore, but try to avoid spaces for the database name. You can give your own database name. So in my case, I would like to give a name of the database as MSCR. So as of now, I haven't run this query. I have just typed the query and I'll show you in the graphical user also. Here you can see the database, right? I'll minimize it. I'll expand this. You cannot see any database over here, right? I'll refresh and show you. Right click on the database, click on refresh. You cannot see any database here. Apart from the system database, you cannot see any database here as of now. So I'll create this database, create database MSCR. I'll run this command. Command completed successfully. That means there is no error and this database has been successfully created. Now if it is created, obviously it has to show me here, right? Whatever is created in this command, it has to reflect here. For that you will have to refresh the database. Click on the database folder, right click and click on refresh. See, you can see this MSCR. This database I have created using this query. I have not manually created over here. I have created it through this query. Create database MSCR. This is reflecting here. MSCR is the database under the database. Once you refresh this database section, you will find it. Now this will also reflect in this drop down menu. See, MSCR. Remaining all the other databases are default databases, whereas this MSCR database is user defined database which I have created now. Now one good thing about this SQL query is if you want to run a previous command, you need not type the command again. You can select the command, previous command, and try to execute it again. That solves it. Now say I will run this previous command. Select star from sys.databases will give me the list of all the databases, right? I'll execute this. See, now in this list the database which I have created recently is also added over here. So this is all about creating a new database. And there is also another way to create a database using the graphical user method. So for that, I'll just need to refresh the database to check any other databases are created. There is only one database which is created. So I'll create another database through graphical user. That is, right click on the database, click on new database and give the database name. It may be any username you can give it for the database name, but make sure there is no space in it. So for now, for time being, I'll give it as Surya and click on OK. You can see a database is added. Previously it was only one database, MSCR. Now we have two databases. We can check with this query also. Select star from sys dot databases. See, the last two databases, these are user created databases. First four are the default databases, system defined databases. So this is another way of creating the database. In the next topic, I'll meet you in the next video. If you find this video helpful, do hit a like and subscribe. Thank you.